to the front of the bike, and sometimes the handlebar stem is facing back like that, so you make sure these are loose and spin it around, straighten, make sure it's straight in line with the forks. Use your 5mm Allen key bolts like so, but pause. Do not tighten that one.
What do you call that?
This is the bearing cap bolt, which compresses the headset bearings into the frame. It's usually set at the factory, doesn't need to be touched. Mm-hmm. Next, we remove the handlebar clamp. Again, you can use a 6mm Allen key. Some of them are 5mm. This one is a 6mm. You can use an Allen key or the driver. Set it aside, lift the handlebars up, making sure that the cables aren't twisted like that. Untwist them, set the handlebars. Be very careful putting these bolts in, do not cross thread them. Okay. Center the handlebars. That's all tight, ready to go. Again, check that they're straight.
Oh.
Okay. Next is the seat. Put it in. Okay. You can use your 13mm spanner and tighten the bolt. Or you use your driver with a 13mm socket. Done.
Alright.
Now we're going to turn the bike over to finish the assembly.
Yeah.
But first we'll connect the front brake cable. The bikes normally come with the rear brake cable already connected. The front brake cable hangs loose, and then you have to put it into the lever. So this one, some levers have a slot across here. This one has a hole underneath.
Hang on. Yep.
So we'll turn the bike upside down. It'll be easier to work on.
Again.
So this is where that round, and that goes into here. We'll bring the brake cable in behind these ones to make it neat. We put that, line that up so the brake drum, the cable drum will fit into there. There's a slot here. You have to turn this and line that slot up. There we go. That's the slot. Cable sits in there into the slot, then you just turn the adjuster back in and the cable won't come out.